Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today, we're diving into the most dangerous plants on the planet. You'll be surprised to learn that some of these plants can be deadly with just a touch, and others are even found in our own backyards. Stay with us until the end to uncover nature's deadliest secrets. Before we get started, if you enjoy this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest posts. Top 5 Most Dangerous Plants in the World. And Degree 5, the Oleander. The oleander is a shrub commonly planted for its beautiful pink, white, or red flowers. Native to the Mediterranean and Asia, it's often found in gardens and along roadsides. Every part of this plant is toxic, containing cardiac glycosides, notably oleandrin, which can affect heart rhythm. Ingesting even a small amount can cause nausea, abdominal pain, and in severe cases, cardiac issues. Burning oleander can also release toxic fumes, so handling it requires caution. And Degree 4, Aconite, Monkshood. Aconite, also known as monkshood due to the shape of its flowers, grows in mountainous areas of Europe. Its purple or blue flowers are beautiful, but dangerous. It contains aconitine, a toxic alkaloid that can cause numbness, vomiting, and even cardiac arrest. Simply touching the roots or sap can cause tingling and numbness. In ancient times, aconite was used to poison hunting arrows. It was also called wolf's bane because it was used to kill wolves. And Degree 3, Manchineel, Tree of Death. The manchineel tree, Hippomane mancinella, is found in tropical regions of Central America and the Caribbean. Its fruit resembles a small green apple, which can look inviting. Manchineel sap contains phorbol, a powerful irritant. Contact with the skin causes burns, and its fruit can cause severe internal damage and even death if ingested. Standing under this tree during rain is dangerous, as water running off the leaves can cause skin blisters. This tree is often marked with red paint to warn passers-by. And Degree 2, Hemlock, Conium maculatum. Hemlock is a herbaceous plant common in Europe, North Africa, and Asia. It has green stems with purple spots and small white flowers in umbrella-shaped clusters. The alkaloids in hemlock, like conium, cause progressive muscular paralysis that can lead to respiratory failure. The hemlock plant is infamously known for causing the death of the Greek philosopher Socrates, who was condemned to drink an infusion made from this plant. And Degree 1, Castor bean plant. Native to Africa, the castor bean plant is a shrub with large, green, palmate leaves and a sturdy stem. Its seeds are brown, marbled with black, and appear harmless. The castor bean plant is one of the deadliest plants on the planet. Its seed contains ricin, a toxin so powerful that a single seed can be enough to kill an adult. Ricin causes severe damage to internal organs, making this plant extremely dangerous. Even in very small doses, this toxin is deadly to humans. Castor beans are often used to extract castor oil, a substance beneficial for many non-toxic uses. Ricin, however, remains in the residue after extraction. And there you have it, we've explored 5 of the most dangerous plants in the world together. These plants show that nature can be as beautiful as it is dangerous. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And let us know in the comments, which of these plants surprised you the most. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for a new video.